My fault. Chilling.
Damn, that's crazy right here, huh?
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yo, Black Tom Explosion, what up?
Boom. We here.
Yeah, we got some special guests in the studio tonight.
Damn.
Jersey City's own. You know what I'm saying?
The Animal Crackers.
Animal Crackers.
Building. Let me throw this out here. I don't want to be the disclaimer guy, but no cursing.
No cursing.
I knew that before we came.
Thank you.
I turned off the curse button.
Cause I go back and think about that time we was at the garden. And you was reading, and you just kept going.
Expletive.
I'm sorry about effed up. Yeah, I was like, oh man.
It was a fun time.
For real, the funny thing was I didn't curse in my verse.
Not at all.
Not at all. Funny.
I just cursed talking. All the kids was like, "Word, I learned a new one." That just means that I
Mommy, what's bleep?
Expletive deleted. I naturally say bad words, I guess.
Yeah, it's a product of hip hop. We all naturally say
It's a
bad words.
product of
Jersey City.
In general, man.
that Gortia talk, you know. That Gortia. Got that good old Gortia.
That's tortilla.
Body mouth, you know?
Yeah, so, for those that don't know the Animal Crackers, introduce yourselves.
I go by Sour Diesel.
What's up, world? I'm Bobbin Hood Robin.
And we a two-headed monster. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Now we blood brothers, two crackers from Jersey City. You know what I'm saying? Trying
What
to
better
hold
way
down
to
on
say
this
it?
music shit.
Stuff.
Oh, it should be able.
Oh my.
It's going down.
Alright, let's see. We're gonna start catching count right now. We're gonna see how many times we could never come back here.
Alright,
Within the first
so
two
don't
minutes.
gonna be bad as CF. Right,
Yeah, I was about to say, CF was on the
You
show.
set the bar pretty high.
So, you got one, but...
Alright, so don't ask me no direct questions.
Everything gotta be filtered.
I just sit here and watch.
He said, ask the question to my colleague.
Diesel gotta write his answers down first.
That was my lesson. Hold on, I gotta write that
To
down.
edit that. You know what I'm saying?
He said, don't curse.
So what albums y'all working on right now?
Yeah.
Okay, well, so we have a album that we've been working on for the past maybe year that we're gonna have available for download soon on animalcrackers.com.
Dope.
Okay, we're gonna have the mixtape as well for free download, so you get 2 for the price of 1. Holla at your
Dope.
boys. And that's pretty much that. Working on some videos, getting those in the mix and
Everything.
Make sure y'all go to animalcrackers.com.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah,
Throw that back out. Say that again.
We can work
If you didn't hear it the first time.
Shameless
You
plug.
never wrong with that.
But yeah, that's Animal Crackers, regular animal, and then Crackers, Crackas.
The
Crackas.
Ebonics way.
Yeah.
Nice.
Because
Shout out to you.
there's already like these cookies I've heard that are like called Animal Crackers. I don't know.
Never heard of those. Doesn't ring a bell.
Yeah, I mean, I just heard about that.
What is that, like your mixtape?
In my soup.
Word. So, yeah, those are your. What about prior projects y'all just finished up? I know not to give myself a little shameless plug, but I'm pretty sure I was on the project.
Actually, that's the project that we've been working on. It's called Superior. So for the past year and maybe a couple months, we've done.
Yeah, but nah, he was on Sour Power. He did Killers.
Stuck on reality.
Okay.
Yeah, stuff on.
Well, you did a couple joints for us.
Yeah.
We play Killers up here. We play Killers up
So he
here.
did
Okay.
Killers,
Word.
but he did. I rapped to all of them beats.
Yeah, that Samurai one.
Yep.
Yeah.
That El Samurai joint.
There was another
He
one.
go hype now. Look at this.
Come check out the SoundCloud.
Those, to be honest, are some of our best songs because
Word up.
it's not something that we took from somebody else. It's
Right.
like family.
True.
You know what I'm saying? So like if 90% of the production is my brother,
Yeah.
those joints, we did the video for Killers. So that was like our first real video. We did the video for the song that you made the beat to.
Yeah, and that was a dope video.
Just right.
DJC showed up for the video.
Yeah.
It
That was fun.
Family.
It was fun to watch
family
Piff out the
event.
window.
yeah, fun to watch Piff
Piff out the window.
Machete.
For no reason.
For no reason. Machete. Shout out to the villain.
They was tussling.
True.
They was tussling.
Yeah, so tell us about your start. Like, what made you want to go into rap, to hip hop?
Man, I can't. Phew, it
Wow.
goes back.
It's a very long story, but just a little backstory.
Started
Like
DJing.
even the people in the room right here, like we've known each other for a very long time, over 10 years. And I feel like if you were a kid, no matter what color you are, and you grew up in the 80s and 90s, you know, you were a part of hip hop, whether you like to think you were a part of it or not. And you just decide what part you play in it, you know. And we've always been creative individuals, and every single part of hip hop we've already partaken in at different points in our lives. You
Yeah, I know
know,
we've been rapping.
DJs and dancing and graffiti and
Since
you
8th grade.
know.
8th grade, my pops bought me the DJ equipment, and I had the heavy hand. I couldn't
It's like,
scratch.
oh, this ain't for me.
That's
You
not
were really scratching.
But for real, yeah. But I had all the records. I mean, 'cause you already know. We go back rock and soul, so we would go.
Nah, but that was back when he got the Geminis, that bounce, not the techniques that sat there, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, you would touch him and the whole thing was just like, you would jump the side of the record, you know what I'm
My
saying?
natural progression
I know. I had to.
was to pick up the mic. I said, I can't scratch. I'm about to rap.
My scratching hand wasn't good.
But yeah, I mean, and then, you know, so we probably spit for, I mean, I don't even know, 5 years before we met up with dudes like DONTIQUE and CF and Johnny Bravo, Aki, and, you know, UN. You went to the third.
Created a
Rest in
monster.
peace, Sire.
Rest in peace.
Um,
And shout out to CF who's killing it, by the way.
Oh my God, doing it super big.
his thing.
That boy got
I
wings.
believe
He out there like numbers San Diego. Where's
doing
CF?
his numbers.
Where's CF?
He drinking too much Red Bull.
We should have a board up here with CF's face and just like a world packet. Where's CF? I think he's downtown.
We can check.
I think he
Matt
just
Lloyd
came back
is
home
good.
from St. Louis, right?
Yeah.
We got to buy CF a mask so he don't catch Ebola. He be so many places. God forbid.
Yeah, on some realness. He everywhere.
You don't want to go to
It's
the
like
train
Ebola.
station now, just pick up Ebola. I had to go back and drop it off Penn Station.
Hey, you got a bag of that Ebola?
That's what I'm saying. Like Ebola, ISIS, they all sound like people in the hood.
That's real.
And them since 94.
ISIS, she did my hair last week.
I owe her money.
Is that Bola from up the street?
Oh, no, he not sick. See him last week.
Yeah,
But damn, speaking of 94, like we've literally been rapping for 20 years.
Word up.
Since 94.
So
you
you
know
know
what
a lot
I
of
mean?
stuff.
Since before the building we're in was
Oh,
here.
forget about it. You know, it's
Official
It
It's-
means we old.
it's ill to actually be a pro.
Seasoned
of this.
Seasoned is what they call it.
Sorry, not to cut you off, man.
Nah, it's all good, you know.
So, like you said, you've been doing this since '94. You've seen a lot. I mean, just off the top of my head, Wu-Tang dropped, Nas dropped. You know, everyone dropped
Yeah.
around then, and now you see
changed
now,
our lives. You know what I'm
Exactly.
saying? That stuff actually made us who we are today. We wouldn't be, you know, I personally wouldn't be who I am without those specific records. You know,
Word.
36 Chambers and Ready to Die. You know, stuff like that.
Illmatic.
Illmatic, you know what I'm saying? Like,
all right.
too many
So
to
let's go
count.
with this. So tell me, give me your top, I don't know, 5 albums that help inspire you to start and just do. You know, what I'm
like
saying?
today,
Yeah,
or
that's- Like,
you know,
you know,
because it's changed so many times. It's if
overall.
you know
Oh,
the
take it
Animal
back to
Crackas
before.
music, you know, I strictly make tracks from stuff I'm inspired by. So I mean, like you can see throughout the
Yeah, but he's
years
talking
the
about
type
hip-hop,
of stuff.
right?
Well, I was just naming them. Like,
I mean,
Like,
music could be whatever.
Music period.
Yeah, because I was inspired by Stevie to make hip hop beats. You
Word.
know, Stevie Wonder don't make rap. Well, if you ask other people, but I
Right.
hear his drums and I'm like, nah, that's hip hop.
Oh, but that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Like the
Yeah.
type of stuff
So-
that inspires me is like, you know, my favorite record I've listened to this record a million times, Pink Floyd, Dark Side of the Moon.
That's
Mhm.
it.
And I've literally tried to recreate certain parts of it in my own style
Word.
and take as much of what I believe is like some of the truest form of music, period, you know, sound waves, you know, and like just trying to, you know, that's the kind of shit forget about it. Number two.
We're tired of that.
Yeah.
They tied 1 and
Side
1.
1 and 1.
Ding, ding,
Double
ding.
dragon.
Put it on the scoreboard, T.